Notice the switch plate on the wall. It's quite an eyesore, so let's wallpaper it. Take a piece of paper and match it. This one happens to land on a seam, so it will take 2 pieces of paper to cover this switch plate. Notice the tools on the table. These are what you'll need to wallpaper your switch plate. We have a pair of scissors, a razor knife, and some spray glue. I've pre-cut 2 pieces of paper that match the pattern. We're going to spray the back side of the paper and the front side of the plate. Shake the glue and spray. So bring your switch plate back to the wall and your large piece of wallpaper. Match the pattern and bring it back to the table. Now let's take our second piece of wallpaper and continue matching the pattern. Turn the switch plate over. Trim off the excess on the corners. Fold the ends in. You've now successfully covered a switch plate. Now let's cut it out. Take your razor knife and run it along the edge. It's that simple. Continue to cut them all out. Cut little X's where all the screws are going to go. Now that your switch plate is wallpapered, bring it to the wall and install. These simple finishing touches that you can do will make your job look like it was done by a professional.